Hello students, today we are going to discuss about psychology project. First I want to give you some general guideline about your project file. The paper on which you will be doing your project is A4 size practical paper. File should be the lace binding file or the shoelace binding file that we generally use. In your project file, red, pink, orange and green colored ink cannot be used anywhere in the file. You can use your creativity in your project file as you like, but be mindful about the ink colors. The format of the project file is being discussed now. In the front page, you will mention the heading Psychology project file along with your name, class, section and roll number. Following that, there would be certificate page. After that, acknowledgement page, and in a blank page you will write the topic of the project, that is memory and forgetting. I will be showing you some sample about the front page, certificate page and acknowledgement page. This is the front page of your project file. You will name Vivekananda Academy, your school name, SERAMPORE, then the school logo. You can give the picture of the school if you like. Then you will mention psychology project file. Following that, your name, class 11, science or arts, and then your roll number. Next, we are coming to certificate page. This format should be followed as it is displayed here, and PDF will be also given. After that, after this, there would be a blank signature for subject teacher. After this page, you will be writing acknowledgement. This format should be maintained again. End of this writing, you will mention your name, class, stream and roll number. I would suggest the front page, certificate page and acknowledgement page should be printed. It will look good and it will be easier for you to handle also. So, I would suggest to print it out. Okay. After this, on a blank page like this, we will write topic, memory and forgetting. And from the next page, we will start about the project. I will be explaining how to do your project, what topics you have to cover and what subtopics you have to write. After that, you will write by your own. You can take the help of internet, NCERT book, any other psychology book if you like. Whatever it is, just note them down so that you can give the names and the site URL in your references. So, the points that will be covered in the project is, first page would be introduction. In introduction, you will write what is memory, give the definition of memory. Then the subtopic that we will be writing in the same page, that is stages of memory. There are different stages. Generally, that is 3 stages we follow: encoding stage, storage and retrieval. You will mention them in bullets and write about them. Then the next page, you will give the heading information processing approach or stage model. You will write about it. Under this model, there are mainly 3 memory systems or types of memory that we generally explain. That is sensory memory, short-term memory and long-term memory. You will write about them, about couple of lines, 5 to 6 lines of each point, and of course you have to mention diagram. There are several flowchart diagram available in the internet. In your book it is also given, so you can draw them in the blank page, you can stick the pictures, whatever you like, but diagram should be mentioned about this stage model. After that, we are coming to the next page, our third point, working memory. You will get a very good note about it in the internet, in your book and any other psychology book also. So, write about working memory. And if you want to give some charts or some pictures if you get from your internet, you can stick it in the adjacent white page. Coming to our fourth topic, types of long-term memory. Under this, you have to mention the sub-points, different types of long-term memory, that is declarative memory, procedural memory, episodic memory and semantic memory. You will write about them, you will explain them. If you get some diagram, flow charts or any other pictorial information, you can give them in your adjacent white page. Try to give pictures and flow charts, models or pictorial information so that it looks good, it looks creative. Okay. On the next page, we will write about other types of memory. The different other types of memory we can also discuss, like flashbulb memory, implicit memory and autobiographical memory. Write or explain a bit of them. The next page you will be writing about forgetting. So give the heading, what is forgetting? You will give the definition of forgetting there and some other information if you get. You can give some pictures of forgetting related. Someone is easily available in the internet, related pictures of forgetting. So give them in the adjacent white page. On the next page, we will be writing about the causes of forgetting. Under causes of forgetting, the topics that we'll be using or will be mentioning is stress decay, due to stress decay, due to interference and due to retrieval failure. So these are the three main causes of forgetting that we consider. So write about them, give their types and other information that will be getting from net, from other psychology book, from your school NCERT book. You will get them, write them. Try to draw charts or other pictorial information that you get, and in the conclusion, in the last, after this following page, in the last conclusion, we will write about ways to enhance memory. How you can enhance your memory. There is a very available techniques to enhance memory in internet. Also you can take the help from your school book. I am telling the page number here. You can take the help of the page 145 from your school book and write those techniques in bullet form as a conclusion. And after this, in the last page, you will be giving your references, that is from which book, journals, internet sites you have taken the help to complete your project. Don't forget to mention your school book's name. It's a must thing. You have to write your school book's name in the reference, that is NCERT Psychology textbook for Class 11. You have to write the name of your school's book and other book, other internet URL or different sites you have taken help from that. Do mention them. And that's it. This is how you have to do your project. I think it is quite clear now what topics we have to do, how to complete it, how to give the structure. So all the best and do it. Thank you.